Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use blur background on Google Meet from laptop without installing any extension. Yes, Google Meet is providing without installing any extension use blur background. This is the latest version which is came as a September treat from Google Meet. Yes, there are three ways you can blur your background. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yeah, so just go to your laptop or desktop browser, type Google Meet and it will direct you to meet.google.com. Just hit the button, so meet.google.com. Just click a new meeting. It will ask you get a meeting link, start instant meeting, schedule meeting. I just click start instant meeting. So this is my meeting, so I can able to see my camera and mic. Everything is working properly. So here, before join now, you can have the three dots in your right hand side corner. Just hit the button. It will direct you to the turn on blur background. So this is the latest updated one Google Meet is providing for us. So just hit the button, automatically your background will be blurred without installing any extension. Yes, this is the number one way, and just turn off. Automatically your background will be turned off. So here there is a mic and camera. Here also the turn on blurred background option is given from the Google Meet. Just to hit the button, automatically this second option will help you to blur your Google Meet a video background. For example, if you're staying somewhere else, if you want to blur your background, if you want to show your face only to the audience, you can use this option without installing any other extension. Yes, if you want to turn off, just click turn off. So this is a second type, a second way. And just to join your meeting, yes, I have joined. You can copy your link, share with your students. So now I would like to show third step. So the same thing, there is a three dots in your right hand side corner. Just hit the button. It will ask you change layout to full screen and turn on blur background. Just hit the button, automatically your background will be blurred. So the Google Meet is providing without installing any extension, the background will be blurred. So this is used for all students and the teachers, those who are taking online classes. So virtually they want to show their face only to the students or the audience. So without installing any other extension, Google is providing updated one, means that is blurred background. I appreciate from your Google Meet is giving lot of updation. So upcoming October month. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.